Hello, welcome back to the video tutorial. Our today's topic for the session is export assets. Now, when you're working with UI designs and when you hand over your design files to the development team, it's important for you to provide them icons, images, these kind of assets in the form of an exportable asset. Now, how can we do this? You can click on this and then there is this section on right hand side panel. You can click on this plus icon and you will see multiple options here. You can change this to PNG, JPG, SVG and PDF. Now for iOS you will require PDF. For all other platforms you will require SVG. For icons it will be SVG and PDF. For images it will be JPG and PNG. Always remember that. When you're providing an asset, when you're making this exportable, also give two options. One is 1x, the other is 2x, which is two times the size of the image. Next is 4x, which is 4 times the size of this image. So right now it's an icon. I will say SVG, SVG, SVG. Okay, SVG will not require multiple sizes. Only PNG and JPG will require multiple sizes. SVG will be a high-res icon on its own. So I will remove the rest of them and just have one SVG. Okay, so this is my exportable icon now. This is another exportable icon which is in SVG, and this is another exportable icon in SVG. Okay, now I can select all three. How you can select something which is a nested layer in a component or in any frame or an auto layout. So just select this. So now I have selected this frame which is the icon. I will press shift and double click on the next one. Press shift and double click. So it will help you select the same item. The other way to select common items with similar properties is that you have selected this icon. Okay. Always remember to select the icon along with the bounding box. So we have defined this size for the icon, and that is the reason why it should have along with the exportable area should be along with the bounding box. Now I have selected this. Okay, I will go to file. Sorry, this one. I will go to okay, for the main menu, edit and select all with, I will say, same properties. Okay, so across the file everything with the same properties is selected. Let's do it with this because that one is a component. I'll go to edit, select all with same properties. Okay, so now as you can see all these three images are selected. Okay, now I'll say export JPG plus a 2x JPG, or you can decide PNG. If it's a transparent background and you want to retain the transparent background, then you have to export it in PNG. If there is no transparent background, then you can go with JPG. JPG images are normally more optimized than PNG. Also, the name of your image should be different. Otherwise, what will happen is when you save them, one image will overlap the other, and then the third image will overlap the second one. So I will select this. I will again do this thing, main menu, edit and select all with same properties. So all three images have been selected. Now I will say export 3 layers. Now let's see what happens. Okay, it is in my download folder and I can see these images now. Similarly for the icons. So you will just need to mark these icons and images as exportable. The export will happen with the development team because they will require the images on their local system, and then they will upload it to the relevant server space so that they can call the images in the design. So these are the things that you need to remember when you are handing over your design to development. Make sure that you mark all your assets exportable. That's about exporting assets. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.